Have you ever tried to slow down a video, but the jump from fast to slow felt awkward? Sudden speed changes can ruin the flow of your cinematic edit. You need a smooth transition, just like the professional Hollywood movies use. Today, I am going to show you how to master speed ramping in Filmora 15. First, click on your video clip in the timeline to select it. Look for the speed icon in the toolbar. It looks like a speedometer. Click it and select Speed Ramping from the list. A new panel will open on the right side showing a line graph. You can start quickly by selecting a preset, like Montage or Hero Moment. Watch how the line curves up and down. The higher the line goes, the faster the video plays. The lower the line goes, the slower the video plays. Now, play back your clip. Maze, the video flows effortlessly from fast to slow, without any jarring jumps. This dynamic effect adds instant drama and energy to your footage. If this trick improved your editing game, please hit that like button. And do not forget to subscribe for more cinematic Filmora 15 tutorials.